Okay, so this is the footage from the PID tuning session I did on the Tyro129. Now, this will give you a little bit of insight into my process of how I do PID tuning. I basically just look at what the video looks like and how the props sound, and it's pretty simple. You'll see that basically I'm upping the P and the D gains from the default settings, because that's what the Tyro129 came with. It came with a default Betaflight PID tune, so I just raised up P and D quite a bit in a little bit of increments, and that's what's basically all you need to do for PID tuning, is just sort of raise up numbers or lower numbers a little bit and fly it, see how it sounds, see how it feels, and see if the vibrations go away. There was like this low frequency oscillation that was there for the initial flights, and that was from, I think, too low of a P and D gain. That's why I raised it up, and I didn't really see it in the FPV feed initially. I only saw it in the RunCam 5 footage. So yeah, let me know what you guys think at the end of the tune, if you think that footage looks pretty good. I mean, obviously I'm not doing crazy accurate with this, so I'm not looking for like the absolute best tune. I'm just trying to get a decent tune so that I can get some good footage when I'm cruising around, when I'm doing maybe some long range. So let me know what you guys think of those numbers, and yeah, if you guys are wondering what the PIDs are at the end of the video. So if you guys see anybody asking me, what are my PIDs? Yeah, you guys ought to bash them in the comments, because obviously they're not paying any attention to what's going on. So just watch the video and you'll see the process I take and the numbers that are changing along the way. And it'll give me some feedback on what you think of the tune. And I'll have some more videos on this guy pretty soon. Probably going to do a crossfire receiver installation, because that's going to require not using the standard receiver plug. You have to actually solder to one of the extra UARTs. So I'm going to make a video about that, and it'll be coming out pretty soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.